Hello everybody, welcome to the Friday Fun Craft. Today we are again with you with a new craft. So Janmashtami is coming. So this time no matki, no flute, no chula, no mukut. A new craft is coming on the way. So guess? Okay. I'm going to tell you this time we are making the Sinhasan for the Lord Krishna. So here is the craft and here is I to tell you. Okay, let's start. So first of all I would like to tell you about the material for making the Sinhasan. First we need one solid box. Okay, this is very solid. Okay, you can also fill it with some papers to make it more solid, and after that you will paste it with this cello tape. Okay, right? Okay, the second thing we need is we have to use these glitter sheets. You can take only two colored sheet, either golden or purple or red. This is up to you. The which color scheme you want, you can take that. So we need these glitter sheets. After that, we want one white sheet like this, a few pieces of laces, decorative material. In the decorative material, I have used only the lace and the sequins, right? And Fevicol. So this is the material. Now we are going to start. First of all, we have to cut according to the size. For the size, you have to make the measurement like this, right? So you can cut two pieces or you can cut one pieces accordingly, and better you will take the glitter sheet pasting one. Okay, this is easy. I have used this blue sheet. So very neatly you have to paste it here. Okay. Same the sides. Now we will cover the sides. For the sides also, what you have to do, you have to stand your box like this, in this position, and make the lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Accordingly we have made the 4 lines. 2 like this and 2 like this, and then cut it. I have already cut and pasted this thing. Yeah, after cutting, whatever the decoration you want to do, either you put the sequins or the lace, you will first attach it and then we will paste it here. You can make it on a wooden box also. So very neatly we will do this thing. This is the benefit of the glue sheet. We need not any Fevicol, and the finishing is really very good with this. Okay, so the asan is ready here. Now we will make the back like this. Okay, for this what you have to do, take one sheet accordingly. See, I have taken this sheet of this size only in the width. Okay, length whatever you want to. This is like this you have to take, and after that you will fold it, okay, and make the design. Right, now we will do the cutting. Like this, okay. So in this way it will come here. For this also you need a second glitter sheet. For example, you have taken that golden and red you are making, so on the back you will draw it and then cut it. Like this we will draw and then we will cut it with the help of the scissor. See, I have already done, and this paper also, right? And decoration I have done also first. It is easy, okay, because when you will paste it is difficult for you to do that. So we will keep it like that. We'll also paste, this is the thick one sheet, that so that we will paste it. Like this you have to keep it here, understand? See, so for this we need the Fevicol also, and you can use the stapler also. First we will make use of the Fevicol, or glue gun you can also use for the quick pasting. So I am using the Fevicol only. So you have to paste a little more Fevicol so that it may paste fix nicely. Like this we will fix it, and on the back you can also use the stapler. See, I have also made the stapler pins here, so to fix it properly, like this. So our seat and back is ready. Now the time is to make the these one. Okay, what I have done to make this, I will tell you. I have taken the stripe accordingly, this much, and roll it. Just you have to roll it, right? After rolling, you just staple from the both sides properly, and now fix it here with any paper like this. And you have to fill this paper with any waste paper, you may fill it. So on the both sides you fill it properly, okay, and here you can put this sellotape to fix like this. It will not come out. right? Now I'm going to take any sheet like this. You have to make this thing like, okay, you have to mark it here and cut the sheet. After that, you will just open this glue and put it here and roll it. Because of the glue, it will paste very nicely, and up to here you will paste around, and then we will cut it and fix it properly. Okay, for making this thing here, you will again make like this, just paste it here tightly, and then we will cut. First cut it like this only, and then we will properly cut the shape. So in this way you can make that. So I have done the decoration with this piping, and one stud is there put here. Okay, the decoration you can use your own creativity. Okay, so our Singhasan is almost ready, and our Lord Krishna is also waiting to sit it here. So this is our today's craft.